Bet you're wondering what's in this box. Have you ever heard of a cryptocurrency miner? An ASIC cryptocurrency miner? Well, look no further. I got the brand new Innosilicon A10 Pro Ethereum Miner. Today, we're gonna unbox this bad boy and set it up for my first time ever. You guys stay tuned, because this is gonna be a special video. Get ready! Alright, just for shits and giggles, let's open up this thing. Just to see what's on the inside. What do we have here? Hopefully I don't void my warranty. Alright, that's the inside there. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, now that we got the miner up and running, what we're going to need to do is find the IP address of the miner. You can do that by using various apps. I use the app Fing, F-I-N-G, on my phone, ran a scan, and got that the IP address is 192.168.0.106 for my local network. Go ahead and type that into any browser. I'm using Chrome right now, and you should get prompted for a password, username and password, which is admin. Alright, I'm going to log in here. Now, I already changed my password, but the first thing you should do upon logging in for the first time is go to Settings, Security, and change your password right here. After you're done with that, go ahead and select Update. Then what you're going to want to do is you can just start scrolling around. If this is your first time, after it's connected, just give this about 30 minutes. It's going to start tuning. You can see my numbers there. It's doing really good. But then you're going to need to assign some pools. So what I'm using is Ant Pool, and you can go onto their website, create an account, then create a sub account, and then go ahead and enter that information right here. So you can see, let me just scroll down here under, let's see if it's under dashboard here. Yeah, so you can see these 3 addresses here are going to be the 3 addresses that you enter in the URL 1, 2, and 3. And then your mining name, you'll know that name, and then the naming convention that you use, 01, AA, just depending on how you want to number your different miners. I only have 1, so you can see mine is just 01. Password will be X. You can also change that as well if you want. And then you just scroll to the bottom here and hit Update Pool. Let me see if there's some other stuff here. Network, if you have a static IP address, you can uncheck that. I'm on DHCP, so I'm going to leave that there. Performance. Now, this thing will be tuning. Mine took about an hour to tune. Yours may take longer, may take shorter. I left mine on factory, and you can see that my hash rate is pretty decent. It's getting about 550 hashes per second. You can go to overview and actually check some of the information here. Your uptime, memory used, memory free. Let's see, you can also update the firmware. I haven't found any new firmware files, but if you do, just download that from the website, then you'll put this in here and you'll go ahead and install your firmware. But yeah, so everything's looking pretty good. The UI is pretty decent. I like it. The hash rate's really good. I may even try to go to performance mode pretty soon. And like I said, you can use any mining pool that you want. This I'm new to this as well, so this is the first one that I found. So far, this has been, I don't know how many days I've had this, probably 5 days or so. That's my account balance. I don't even know how much that is right now. I'll look it up later. Hash rate's looking pretty good though, and it usually stays like that. Sometimes it dips, but yeah, so far so good. I'll probably do an update video on this a little bit later after a couple months. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe. I'll be doing many more videos to come, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys later.